Hello, John. Welcome back. And this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to add an horizontal line to your HTML code. Definitely want to learn about that because it's going to be useful, especially when dealing with a complex web pages. So let's get started. So the first thing to do here is to open a new folder, which you know how to do that. And then let me see HR tag. And then let me quickly open this up inside my code editor. Open with code. And then I should definitely create a new file which I'll be naming index.html. All right, so now I should just bring out the normal HTML template and say it was that and not this. I want to definitely change the title. There's it as tags in HTML perfectly. So I can just save this up, open up inside my body and have, let's say, a paragraph tag that contains just a dummy text of like 10 paragraphs, 10 lines, 10 words. So, and then let me add this and copy this. So don't worry, if you haven't yet know about this dummy text, this is what we call lorem text. And the actual use is when you are building a website or web pages and you don't know what to put in there. Maybe the person that owns the website don't have those content you are going to put in there. Maybe a brief explanation about the product or a bit of explanation about the website, and you don't actually know what to write in there. So instead of you just leaving the place blank, and you definitely want to continue your jobs and maybe styling. So instead of leaving that place to be blank, you can definitely fill it up with this lorem. And this is how it works. You just need to write lorem, and then you can add a number of how many words do you want, how many words. Now I add 10, so that means I'm going to be having 10 words. And you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that perfect? I believe you understand how it works now. So let's quickly open this up inside the browser and then copy part and then paste this here. And you can see this is my two paragraph tag that I added. So I definitely want to check out how the HR tag works. So I want to add them in between these two paragraph tags. So I can just see HR and space. And then one of the most funny thing is this HR tag is a self-closing tag. You see, the paragraph tag is having an opening tag. The paragraph have opening tag, closing tag, and then the other paragraph element also have opening tag and closing tag. But this HR, which is horizontal tag, is not having anything. It's not having a closing tag. You just have an opening tag with backslash at the end of it, which is most of the times not necessary. But if you are using Prettier here, the way I'm installing Prettier, so you definitely will see it reformatting it for you like this. So let's see what happens inside our browser, and then I refresh, and you can definitely see a thin line here that appear in the middle of the first paragraph tag and the second paragraph tag. Yeah, that's what the HR tag does. And I believe in the next couple of videos, we are going to be using it a lot, and it's going to be interesting. So if you really like this video, kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.